Welcome back to our episode, guys. You know how it go. We're out at Lighthouse. There's surf. It's small, but it's better than nothing. And I think it's going flat, so make hay while the sun shines, you know. Anyhow, follow through. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. I think this is gonna be a short episode. Just want to get something going, get into the water. So yeah. Phew. We have a crowd. So guys, in Jamaica, this is crowded. Like what, 10 people, 15 people? That's a crowd in Jamaica. Like for Jamaican surf. That's what we're surfing over a reef. With, as you saw, a bunch of sea urchins. So, yeah. And thing like that. Alright guys, so I think that's the epi. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So a little more lively at Lighthouse this time for me. Caught more waves on camera, you know. I got one really good one where it was peeling. I was flying down the line and I was doing my pumping, setting up for a solid turn. In fact, one of my friends was asking why didn't I pull into the barrel, and my answer was because I didn't want to run over someone in the path that I had to take to pull up. So, you know, can't win them all. I almost got a barrel, like as you guys can tell. So yeah, anyhow, another lovely episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. I'm out. but I caught one a while ago going right, so you know.